Good morning, Muscle Car Corner here. Look at this place, it's cleared out. Amazing, all these cars are gone. It's a lot of them waiting to get them in the trailer out here, so I figured I'd catch this morning. You know, still some cool cars in here. Reliable's getting everything locked up and clamped down. And look at this GT 500. I didn't get a video of this one. It's sharp. Very nice. Automatic C6. Oh, they got some of these early aluminum cars that haven't been taken away either. Wow, look at this 57 convertible. Simply fantastic. Love the color combo on it. Wow. Nice. Let's take a look at this early 69 Camaro drag car. I believe it's a Motion, if I'm not mistaken. Or it's done up as a Motion, maybe. Love the Kragers on it, the side pipes. That wild hood scoop. Man. Super sweet. Yeah. Here's one of Grumpy's toys. It's a clone. Still super cool car. We got Spencer's Dodge. I did a video on that. Wonder where Hemi Eddie is. Is Eddie still here?
Excuse me?
Is Hemi Eddie still here?
On his way.
Gotcha. Cool. Here's that Tempest wagon we did a video on yesterday. It's one of the rarest wagons I've ever seen ever. Aluminum front end, 421 Super Duty. Hello. Super cool. Here's that Trans Am that I did a video on. Well, that thing is nice. Jim Kramer's Hemi Dodge. We got some going up on Reliable. A nice Judge going up. All right, here's Paul. Trying to get Paul loaded up. Hell yeah. She wants to light some tires up.
She does. She's so crooked too.
Damn it, Paul. We got too close on this side.
You gotta go about 4 inches to the right, Paul. Maybe 6.
Got to watch those header tubes coming out.
So you don't rub it.
All right, keep on